Over the last few years, foldable phones have gone from being expensive and unreliable to devices that most of us can consider picking up as our main phones. The technology has improved a lot and quickly. Indeed, they are now considered some of the best phones on the market, with the likes of Samsung, Huawei, and Motorola fighting it out to make sure they have the most sought-after foldable devices. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best foldable phones you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Oppo Find N. Oppo, the global smart technology company, today launched its first foldable flagship smartphone, Oppo Find N. The Oppo Find N brings together cutting-edge technology and unprecedented quality to create an improved foldable experience, offering a fully functioning compact smartphone when folded and an intuitive and immersive landscape display when unfolded. Display: 7.1-inch and 5.49-inch when folded. The Oppo Find N is not cheap, but you'll get plenty for your money. Specs are plenty powerful, offering a Snapdragon 888 processor, up to 12 GB of RAM, as much as 512 GB of storage, and a 4,500 mAh battery. Both the outer and inner displays are excellent, offering AMOLED technology with 120 Hz refresh rates. All in all, we would highly recommend the Oppo Find N to foldable enthusiasts. The only real issue is that it can't be had officially in the USA, but it's easy to get it imported. The price is $1,200 US. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Duo 2. Open 2 screens and discover limitless possibilities for apps, email, meetings, and calls that never leave your side. Now with lightning-fast 5G, optimized audio in every mode, and a new triple lens camera to capture, edit, and share moments. With the dynamic triple lens camera always close at hand, instantly capture vibrant, high-quality photos and 4K video across 2 screens while viewing, editing, and delivering them across your devices. Unlike Samsung's 2 phones, the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 is not a foldable device. Instead, it features 2 separate 5.3-inch panels that open up to give you an 8.3-inch workspace. The premium foldable headlines with a variety of notable upgrades ranging from the top-tier Snapdragon 888 chip, 5G connectivity, greater RAM, and larger displays. There's also the welcome boost of 8 GB RAM from the original Duo's 6 GB, making the handset all-performance-driven, whether that with gaming or multitasking across demanding apps. The price is $1,200 US. Number 3. Motorola Razr. Introducing the new Motorola Razr, where iconic flippable design meets the latest 5G speed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor in an unmistakably modern look. When closed, the convenient quick-view display keeps you connected. Take beautiful photos with the 48-megapixel with OIS and quad-pixel technology doubles as an advanced selfie camera. Flip open and continue your experience on a 6.2-inch OLED full touchscreen. When folded, you can still use a square 2.7-inch display on the outside to check notifications, control media, and more. Pocketable meets powerful with an all-day battery and turbo power charging. Capture sharper, more vibrant photos with the 48-megapixel main camera that uses OIS and quad-pixel technology to deliver 4 times better low-light sensitivity. Plus, Razr comes loaded with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of memory. The new Motorola Razr foldable phone specs are better too. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chip inside. The price is $799 US. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Unfold your world with next-level expression. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 offers compact portability that conveniently moves with your lifestyle. This is the phone that is uniquely you, with an innovative design, stylish colors, and custom accessories. Capture hands-free selfies, photos, and videos wherever you go. With your Galaxy Z Flip 4 in flex mode, it's easy to do two things at once. Read notifications on the customizable cover screen while your phone stays compact and your full screen stays private. Pick your perfect color and make your phone your favorite accessory. The Flip 4 offers excellent build quality with a premium exterior finish and a 6.7-inch internal display. The external display comes in at 1.9-inch to make managing your notifications that much easier. On the inside, you'll find a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor leading the charge, with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage backing it up. There are two 12-megapixel rear cameras and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. The handset also comes with a 3,700 mAh battery. The price is $1,000. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Unfold your world and achieve next-level productivity with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the phone that holds its own so you can do two things at once. More screen means more doing. Launch multiple apps side by side with a multi-window view. Maximize your viewing pleasure by unfolding your mobile phone into a tablet. Sized screen. It's strong, sleek, and sturdy. Take on your day with the most reliable folding screen technology. Talk with friends while checking off your to-do list with hands-free video chat. Use S Pen on your Galaxy Z Fold 4 with ease. Write out notes, sketch things out, and get more done on the go. See your apps as big as they should be. With app display optimization, numerous apps naturally fit the edge-to-edge screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is now the latest and greatest foldable from Samsung and is a minor upgrade over its predecessor. It packs a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 12 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 4,400 mAh dual battery. While the battery life still isn't elite, it's a solid sell to keep you moving throughout your day. There are still 3 cameras at the back, a 10-megapixel front-facing camera on the external display, and an under-display selfie shooter that packs just 4 megapixel. The price is $17.99. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.